Okay, hello everybody. We are going to show here a guide of how to get an appointment with a Spanish employment system, which is called SEPE, S-E-P-E. So we are going to do a walkthrough through all the steps you need to do in order to get your appointment with SEPE, with S-E-P-E, because it's the only way you can be accepted. You can have some officer to get you and to attend you and to make any consult or any paperwork you need. So first we are going to go to the SEPE website. We are going to type SEPE, but you are going to find the URL in the description. So we go here and we are going to go to English, so it's easy for you to understand, and we are going to the electronic headquarters. Okay, is the sede electrónica, the virtual office, and we have two options here. We can go to people or we can go to companies, and we are going to go to people because this appointment we are going to get is for individuals, not for corporates nor for companies. So we go to people and then we can see all the services we can have here in the office, in the virtual office, in the electronic headquarters, and then we are going to get previous appointment request for receiving the SEPE. Previous appointment is like cita previa base, but it's literal translation, but it's a requested appointment. Okay, we're going to request appointment for going to a SEPE office. Then we switch here, and due to COVID protocols, we always have to be attended by appointment. So you can go without the electronic signature, and if we can go, you can go through the electronic site. Okay, so start quotation request. We are going to request appointment. We click here. It's loading. Usually between midnight is the busiest. Okay, here we are. First, we have to select the zip code, which in Spanish is, the postal code from which you are going to request the appointment. Here you enter your postal code. If you are maybe in Madrid, 218007 is an example. It's not my actual postal code, but this is a way to do this. We click continue, and then okay, 218007, type of management benefits. You cannot say another thing, that you only can select benefits here, and the procedure, you can check one of the options. I'm getting benefit subsidy and my situation has changed. Annual income statement or extension, general information, delivering documentation or modifying bank information. I have completed job, access or resumption of benefit or subsidy, improper income, sanctions, economic or family variations and other incidents, other subsidy accesses, end of benefit, active insertion income, RAI, or extraordinary subsidy. Okay, general information. It doesn't matter what you put on right here because you are going to be receiving it at the office, but I think it's for statistical purposes. Sub-procedure, general information, maybe, or delivering documentation or modifying bank information. General information seems okay. And then we are going to enter our ID number. if you're a Spanish citizen, it's called DNI, Documento Nacional de Identidad, and if you are a foreigner, it's NIE, which is the número de identificación de extranjero. If you're a foreigner, you put on here your ID number with the letter. I will do that, and I will cover it for you in order not to see my private data. Then we continue. Okay. And then here we can go and say, I want to do face-to-face. Face-to-face is presential if you want to go to the office or if you want to have a telephonic appointment. Okay, so face-to-face, which is you are going to the office, and then you see here on the map different locations and the first available gap. First gap available, we can go Valdemoro, Fuenlabrada, Pinto, Alcorcón, blah blah blah, whatever. Let's say we are going to Madrid-Azca, which the first available gap is Monday, March 14th March at 12:15 p.m. Okay, you select your office among all the options, then you check continue, and then next available appointment is this one. Click continue if it's convenient for you, otherwise select date and time, but I cannot select any other date and time, so I go and say continue. Here it comes personal information. You have to type here your name, surname, second surname if you want to, but it's not mandatory, and your telephone or email, because your appointment is you are gonna get the appointment via SMS or email. Okay, I'm going to type all my data here. After typing all my data, I have to accept the privacy policy because they are going to keep my data. And then I have to type the CAPTCHA over here. You know how is this CAPTCHA? You have to put all the, maybe this is not correct, all the data here, then you click finalize, and then on my phone I have a code, a personal code, which is a one-time code. I'm going to type it here, GOGHPUF3, and then I click continue, and then during this time the date and time I have selected before was occupied, so I'm going to put it 12:45, so it's 12:45 to 1 p.m. and continue, and here I am. It's done. I have my appointment to go to Iran information on next Monday. At the time I'm recording this video, it's next Monday, it's 14th of March, 12:45 at Plaza Pablo Ruiz Picasso in Madrid, Azca office. So here is it. It's all here. You can try at home if you need to get an appointment with the Spanish Employment Service, which is called, as you know, Servicio Público de Empleo Estatal, SEPE. Okay, I hope you, I'd rather not say enjoyed this video, but I hope this video is for interest for you and maybe useful. Bye.